Hi all, I'm Kush, and today I'm going to give my pitch for as a VTP volunteer to get more people to know about what TEGL programs are. I'm assuming that my audience is of people who have crossed 30s and in the corporate life are not so happy, are observing situations where they are feeling low in energy and are not feeling that attached to the society. Let me start it now. Hi all, Jai Gurudev. I welcome you all to this session on introduction of breath and meditation workshop of Art of Living. I'm Kush, as you all know, and I'm a growth marketer with Zen of Health, and I'm also a volunteer with Art of Living. Art of Living is one of the largest organizations with over 10,000 centers in across 180 countries around the globe. Art of Living was started by Sri Ravi Shankar ji, who has been awarded one of the highest civilian orders awards in India of Padam Vibhushan. Let me talk about one of the things that we are all going through. In this changing world dynamics, we frequently come across situations where we are unhappy with our jobs. This is very often I keep on hearing it from everyone, right? Or we do not like the people around us, or we find it hard to interact with people or make new friends, or find it hard to speak up our points in an important meeting, which could have led to a good raise or a promotion, but lose it to someone who just had the courage to speak up in the meeting. Something relatable to all of you? We are often used to believe that this is life and this is what 30s are. We are okay if getting fat. We are okay if being not feeling energetic. We are okay being tired. We are okay being frustrated. And fighting continuously with your loved ones and your family. Trust me, this is not okay. This is not normal. कहाँ गए वो हमारे बचपन के दिन when we used to be energetic, when we used to fight, but also then play with the same group of people with the same enthusiasm. So, what I'm trying to say is all of this is not okay. And you can get back to that level of enthusiasm, you can get back to the level of love that you had for everyone around you and be in your own self. Let me give you a glimpse of what Art of Living program is going to be about, the breath and meditation workshop is going to be about. Art of Living program is well crafted with research, breath, breathing exercises and meditation, which will help you access your subconscious to be more aware and be in present and helps be in better control of your emotional state. In my own personal experience after being part of Art of Living for more than a year now, I feel more confident and more positive throughout the day. And it has gradually helped me with not just my personal life but professional life as well. The benefits are the one of the ones reported with the participants of the program is 50% say that they have now better sleep quality. 80% report that they have better mood throughout the day, and 100% report that they smile more often. Now, these are the program details, and before conducting the 3-day workshop, we are conducting a 1-hour introduction session where we'll walk you through some of the meditation and breathing exercises, which I highly recommend that you do. The details are so and so. Lastly, I would like to end with that we all grew up with the motto that rich and retire by 50. My motto, and I recommend strongly that should also be your motto, is healthy and fit till 80. Jai Gurudev.